Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the hidden wonders of the animal kingdom. In today's video, we venture into the vast savannas of Africa to explore the incredible world of cheetahs. Get ready to be amazed as we unveil the hidden facts and remarkable traits of these magnificent big cats. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future wildlife adventures. Now, let's dive into the intriguing world of the cheetahs. The cheetah, with its sleek body and incredible speed, is a true marvel of the animal kingdom. Today, we're going to reveal 5 hidden facts about these incredible creatures that will leave you in awe. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Unmatched speedsters. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals on Earth, capable of reaching speeds up to 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour, in just a few seconds. Their slender bodies, long legs, and flexible spines allow them to achieve this astonishing acceleration, making them supreme hunters in the savannah. Fact number 2. Acceleration masters. While their top speed is impressive, it's the cheetah's acceleration that truly sets them apart. They can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour, in just a few strides, covering a distance of about 20 meters. This incredible burst of speed helps them quickly close in on their prey during a chase. Fact number 3. Unique hunting style. Cheetahs have a distinctive hunting style compared to other big cats. They rely on their speed and agility to pursue and capture prey rather than stalking and ambushing. Their slender body and non-retractable claws provide better traction and grip while running, enhancing their ability to maneuver during high-speed pursuits. Fact number 4. Specialized anatomy. Cheetahs possess several adaptations that contribute to their incredible speed. Their large nasal passages and lungs allow for increased oxygen intake during the sprint, while their enlarged adrenal glands produce adrenaline, enhancing their performance. They also have non-retractable claws for better traction, and a long muscular tail that aids in balance and steering. Fact number 5. Conservation challenges. Despite their awe-inspiring capabilities, cheetahs face significant conservation challenges. Habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict have led to a decline in their population. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these magnificent cats and ensure their survival for future generations. And there you have it, 5 hidden facts about the cheetahs. From their unmatched speed and acceleration to their unique hunting style and conservation challenges, these magnificent big cats continue to inspire awe and fascination. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. And we'll see you next time with more captivating wildlife revelations. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our planet.